All right, guys, what's up, YouTube? It is time for a recap. Did you guys pay attention to the last video? Let me put a snip out. This is how we do it. So 1, 2, 3, 4 candles there with no GP. I'm going to move that price level to the top of that cluster, and I'm going to go, you can look at that on the intraday like always. And when we get underneath this, even if it's tomorrow, we could sell off into it. We're just ramping up into it. And then if we sell the day before, so be it. No big deal. I'm going to wait for us to be trending under that 6, 5, 9, 12, and then I'm going to start targeting the GPs. Okay. And that's how I work those clusters. So I'm going to mark off exactly where the high-low GPs are in those candles. That just means if you were to draw a Fibonacci point from the high-low, this is the golden pocket, right? So these two zones are the golden pockets that are not tagged yet on the daily time frame. So I like to mark out where's that triple? Well, it's a quad right now, but I'm only going to focus. Am I paying attention? Am I talking to myself out here? Is anybody out there in YouTube world paying attention? Are these videos helping? I told you where it was going to go FOMC. I even gave you the price, 659.12, because of the daily. We had 1, 2, 3, 4 candles in a row with no golden pocket tag. The only thing we're waiting for is the FOMC catalyst to knock it back down to get those zones I already called in the prior video, okay? So the next day coming in, as long as you were under 659.12 and it was going to be FOMC. What do we know about the FOMC? First move, always fake. So we had the short targets out of the gate first. Right? Let's talk early AM. There's a whole video on the trade session I did in pre-market on the channel. Go look at it. I longed right from here all pre, ran it to the golden pocket. It was a beautiful long full explanation on YouTube. Easy peasy. It's on the channel. Go get it. So after the pop, my short was anything under that 50. Short, 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 and target gap fill. You see short target 1, short target 2. That was the opening morning. We moved to the further target here. FOMC macro short targets of the day. We got all of those coming in too, right? All targets smashed. What is these two gray zones? GP1 and GP2. I told you that was coming after FOMC dump. And what do we know about FOMC like we just said? Well, the first move is more often than not the wrong move. So we had the simplest, beautiful trade here, and it ran up. You shorted anything under that GP again, of course. That's the first tag for 660.80. The close under the golden pocket top was so clean, gave you the lower high after the break of structure, and wham, right to the 2618 and second GP. Again, I told you guys they were coming down to the second 2, most the third. 1, 2, 3, 4. We went over in the last video. These two daily golden pockets for 912 and 911 were the ones that we needed the most. Okay. So as I said in the video, under 65, 9.12, which was the top of the no tag GP cluster on the daily, we go short, right? Comes in, we're under it. FOMC, wrong move first. Down, cracks a low a day, comes up, the perfect lower high into the frickin' GP, can't be any cleaner, and then slams her down to all the targets. Even the all-time high Fibonacci played out. This is yesterday's candle in the gold Fibonacci. Yesterday's highs, yesterday's lows. Where did the fibs play out? Oh gosh, real hard, right? 1618 from 3820 breaks down, boop, right into it. Look at the FOMC. Let's back it up to the minute chart. You could even see this. A little cleaner because of all the candle clusters here. Look at this thing. Comes into the daily gap, push, down, ding, 1618 to the T. Fires back to the GP, ding, 2618. Fires back to the GP. Oh my goodness, it was such a clean day, and this is what we needed to see in FOMC. I wish I had more for you guys, but I want to make a quick update video on exactly how, if you missed the prediction, go watch the video again. You want to see me do this stuff live? I'm here every single morning for the group. Link is in the description. Come join. See you guys later.